What's up, fellow adventurers? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, hi, my name's Erica and I'm so excited that you all are here. So currently right now I'm in between trips, so I thought it'd be really fun today to share with you my 6 all-time favorite travel must-haves. Now some of these I've been using for years and some of these are brand new, but I'm totally obsessed with them. So I'm so psyched to be sharing them with you all today. Now before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It would mean the world to me if you guys joined our little adventure community. Now let's get started with travel must-have number 1. Okay guys, here's my travel must-have number 1. Now this is something I actually bought recently and I love it so much that I use it in my everyday life, not just travel. And what it is a mirror, but it's an LED mirror that comes with 3 light settings. And it is so perfect. Like I'm literally so obsessed with this. One why I think this is so perfect for travel is if you're traveling in a group and you guys are all sharing a bathroom, it can be kind of frustrating to all try and get ready at the same time when you only have one mirror. So this way you can like have your own mirror. You can set it up like this and like put it on a countertop and do your makeup and have those different light settings, which is amazing. Because I feel like, especially in hotel bathrooms, the mirror or the lighting is just horrendous and you never know like how much makeup to be applying. And I just feel like this way you know like what light settings to use and what's perfect for you and perfect for your makeup application. So I love this so much. I also love just traveling with the mirror in general, so you can check the back of your hair. Like, you know, if you're in the bathroom and you do this to check the back of your hair, I love that as well. So it does come with the charger, which is awesome. And this is all you need to pack on your trip. And I think it's so sweet and versatile. I'm using it in just my bathroom here at home. And it also comes with a little mirror that's like a magnifying mirror too, if you want to like get up close and personal and see like any details that you want to do while you're applying your makeup. But yeah, this one is fabulous. It's on Amazon. I believe it's under $30. I'll have it linked down below, but this baby, it's a keeper. Like I'm obsessed with this one. My next travel must-have has everything to do with necklaces. So if you've ever traveled with necklaces, you know the number one problem you have is when you get to your destination, they're all tangled together because they were getting moved around in the airplane, in the car, with your luggage, whatever it may be, and then you just end up not wearing them because they're tangled, and then you come home and then you don't even untangle them because it's so frustrating and you have to get tweezers out and it's like a whole thing, right? You know what I'm talking about. So what I have been doing lately is I've been using this little jewelry necklace traveler case. Now, basically what it is, it's very simple, but it's genius. I don't know why like I wasn't using it before. Basically what it does is it clamps in your necklace and you can layer multiple necklaces and so they don't move around and they don't get tangled. Now this one that I have in particular, this is honestly, it's from a jewelry store and I think it came with a necklace and I just kept it and I found it one day and I was like, hey, this would be perfect for when I travel. But I did find similar ones on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. But again, it's really simple, but it just helps from your necklaces not getting tangled when you travel, so that way you can actually wear them. So this one is something that I've been using for years, and I just literally can't recommend it enough, especially if you love to bring different jewelry when you travel. If you travel often, this next one isn't gonna come as much a surprise to you, but I have to talk about it because they are just so amazing, and that is packing cubes. I adore packing cubes. I use them for everything. If I'm going away for the weekend, a week, 2 weeks, whatever it is, I'm using my packing cubes because 1, they help you stay organized, and 2, they actually help you pack more clothes. Now, I know there's like so many options out there when it comes to packing cubes, but personally, I don't think you need to spend a lot of money on these. I mean, they're just a bag and a zipper. Like, it doesn't have to break the bank. This one I got on Amazon and it had like everything, big cubes, medium size, small size, toiletry bag, like dirty clothes bag, shoe bag, basically everything you need. So I'll have it linked down below. I've been using them for years and they've held up super well. But if you have not joined the packing cube train yet, this is your sign too, because I'm telling you guys, they are a total game changer when it comes to your packing. Now, my next travel must-have is footwear, in particular, Vessi shoes. So if you guys have not heard of these shoes, they are 100% waterproof. And I know this because they were kind enough to send me a couple pairs of shoes to test out. And guys, I literally put them to the test. I wore these shoes and walked in a lake and totally submerged them, and my feet were completely dry. It was absolutely wild. And I have been wearing these shoes for months now. They're super, super comfortable. I've worn them on 2 trips. I've worn them to Disney World, where I walked miles and miles in one day. I wore them to the Canadian Rockies. They were like a great like hiking shoe. Not these ones, they were a different pair. I'll insert like a photo. But I am obsessed with these shoes because especially when you're traveling and you don't know what the weather is gonna be like imagine you're out and about and you're doing your thing, and you're sightseeing, and it starts pouring and your shoes get soaked. Okay, that's literally the worst. So what are you gonna do? Like pack everything up and go back to your hotel and switch? Like, no, that's gonna waste time on your vacation. It's such a hassle. But these shoes, you would not have that problem in. So these are like my number one shoe now to bring on trips because I know that they're gonna withstand any sort of weather. Now, I do have a link down below that'll show you all of Vesti's shoes. They have so many different styles. I really love this one because I feel like it's like a cute little tennis shoe, but they have like kind of boot shoes, tennis shoe, boot shoes. Like there's so many options and they're all so, so cute. I really just can't recommend them more because like I said, they can handle any type of weather and they're cute as well. All right, guys, my next travel must-have is luggage, in particular, the Away suitcase. Now, I have been a customer with Away for almost, I don't even know if it's been 5 or 6 or even 7 years. Like, it's been a long time. Now, Away is an amazing, amazing brand, amazing quality suitcases. I first got their suitcase when I was doing my study abroad. So I feel like it's been 6 years now that I think about it. I got that suitcase when I was doing my study abroad because I was gonna be gone for a long time and I wanted a good, sturdy suitcase. Now these suitcases have a lifetime warranty. They are sturdy, great quality, zipped nice. Like it's like a luxury suitcase. And I feel like for the most part, when I can save money, I want to. But for my suitcase, I wanted to like invest in it, and it is a lifetime warranty. So that made me feel better about the money that I put towards it. But they have so many different suitcases. I have the large carry-on one. I have like a checked bag version. I have a soft like case one and a hard case. I just really, really love this bag. It's never like given me any problems and it's always held up so, so well. So it is a bit of an investment, but I will say just check their website periodically because I got both of mine on sale. So you can always get it on sale if you just check it regularly. I'm sure like when Black Friday is coming up here now, you can find a great deal for the Away suitcase, but it has been my go-to suitcase for a very long time now, and I just love Away so, so much. Okay guys, we are on to my last travel must-have, and this one is kind of a random one, but I thought it'd be a good one to share with you all today. And that is a portable fan. Now, if you're a Disney person, you know that portable fans are always talked about in like pack with me's and everything because Disney is a hot place and it's nice to have a fan when you're at the theme parks. And that's the big reason why I got this fan, but I've actually been using it on other trips now, and it's really like a total game changer. So I got this one on Amazon. Yes, it'll be linked down below, but if you're going anywhere that's gonna be warm, if you're hiking, if you're like at the beach or something, like honestly, having a little portable fan is so nice to just cool down. And what I really love about this one in particular is you can wear it around your neck and then like adjust it to a good height. All right, let me see if I can do this. And then I like to turn it on, and then your hands free, like doing your thing, and you're getting cooled down at the same time. Because a lot of the ones on Amazon, they're like a handheld one, which are great too. But then you have to like be holding that, and maybe you're holding your phone or whatever it is. It's just nice to have something that's hands free. So I really like this one. Again, I did get it in like thinking for my Disney trips, but I've been using it on other trips too, and it's just been so, so nice. So this is kind of like what I thought would be fun to throw in with all my travel must-haves. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see similar ones like it in the future, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any like travel must-haves that I didn't cover today, please let me know down in the comments because I love finding like travel must-haves and like little gadgets and all those things. Now, I do have very exciting adventures coming up for you all. Some of them are very Christmas themed, and I'm really psyched to be taking you guys along with that. So keep an eye out for those videos coming up. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You got me loose and set me free.